Hello and welcome. I am going to be showing you how to make a fruit salad, a delicious fruit salad that you can use to break your fast. So for this fruit salad, I will be using pineapples, pawpaw, cantaloupe, apple, strawberry, and grapes. Okay, so each of these fruits are full of vitamins, especially vitamin C, and they're also full of water to hydrate your body as you break your fast. So, and children also like fruit salad, so it's a good way to make children eat fruits. So let's go ahead and start cutting the fruits. So I'm starting with the pineapple. So what you want to do is peel the pineapple. Yes, peel the pineapple, and after peeling, I'm cutting them into small sizes. First of all, cut out the core, that's the middle of the pineapple. We don't want to eat that part. Then slice the pineapple into cubes and add it straight to the bowl that you're going to use for the fruit juice, for the fruit salad. So finish up cutting the pineapple. So next, I'm going to be peeling and slicing the pawpaw. So let's peel. After peeling, I remove the seed from the middle and cut it into bits and add straight to the bowl. And next, I'm cutting the cantaloupe. So peel out the back and cut it into two parts to remove the seed from the center. So you can use a spoon to scoop out the seed from the center of the cantaloupe. So after that, you can then cut the cantaloupe into small sizes like this and add it straight to the bowl of fruits. And finish up the cutting. Add them straight into the bowl, and then I cut the apple. So cut the apple. You first of all remove the seed from the middle of the apple and then slice it and cut it into small chunks like this and add straight to the bowl of fruits. So finish up cutting the apples, and let's start cutting the strawberries. So for the strawberries, I am cutting the smaller size strawberry into two parts, while the bigger strawberries I'm cutting them into 4 parts. So cut them like this and add them straight. For your information, the apples and the strawberries have already been pre-washed, and also the grapes. So for the grapes, I'm just adding them straight. I'm not cutting them. Some people like to cut them into two, but I'm not cutting them. I'm adding them straight to the bowl of fruits. And I'm using red grapes, as you can see. And I'm going to mix everything together later, but let me add more grapes. I love grapes, so I'm adding a lot of them to this fruit salad. So yeah, while I'm adding the grapes, I'm also going to be using a dressing with lemon. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the lemon dressing. So I'm cutting 2 lemon and just squeeze out the juice, and then yeah, squeeze out the juice like this and it's ready. And I'm just going to pour it into the bowl of salad and mix it up. Yeah, so when you use a lemon dressing, it's also good. It I think it adds to preserving the fruits also, making it fresh all the time, even when it's in the fridge. And voila, it's ready. So I'm going to be tasting out of it. So fruit salad is ready. Let's have a little bit of it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel. Click the thumbs up button, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Click the thumbs up button to like our videos, subscribe to this channel to